Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. This boat is sold. It was custom ordered. It is going through rigging to be delivered later this week. Powered by a 150 Mercury 4-stroke, which is the standard engine. Ski pole is standard. We've got a full walk across here along the transom. Nice sun pad here as well, with a backrest that folds up and a lot of storage beneath. We've got a closable cockpit door that locks into place. Batteries and storage beneath those two compartments there. Normally this boat would have a built-in cooler box. This particular one was optioned to have a live well on board. Designated space for a cooler is here to the starboard side. There's also storage beneath that corner seat, and garage style storage beneath the sun pad. You got storage beneath this port side seat there. A bucket seat for the observer is standard. Same thing for the helm. Really comfortable helm. This has an upgraded 9-inch Simrad. We've got a Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Tilt steering wheel. Glove box to the port side. That's drained. Cup holders. Storage to the port side. There you can see the bow filler cushion that's optional on this boat. Standard bow cushions. Stainless grab handles and speakers to both sides with cup holders down below, and there's also storage beneath. Again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thank you.